Goldfish can actually live up to 15 years or even longer if they're well taken care of. Here's what you need to know to help your goldfish live a long, healthy life. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you have any extra tips for keeping goldfish healthy and happy? Share your advice. Now let's find out how to keep your goldfish alive for 15 years. 1. Choose the right tank size. Goldfish need space to grow and thrive. They aren't meant to live in tiny bowls. Choose a large tank, ideally at least 20 gallons for one goldfish, and add 10 more gallons for each additional fish. A bigger tank helps reduce waste buildup and gives your goldfish room to swim and grow. 2. Get a good filter. Goldfish are messy eaters, and they produce a lot of waste. A powerful filter helps keep the water clean and removes harmful chemicals like ammonia. Choose a filter rated for a tank larger than yours and make sure to clean or replace the filter media regularly. 3. Keep the water clean. Water quality is crucial for goldfish health. Do 25 to 30% water changes every week to keep the water fresh and free of toxins. Use a water conditioner to remove chlorine from tap water before adding it to the tank. 4th, monitor water temperature. Goldfish are cold water fish, so they don't need a heater, but it's important to keep the temperature steady. Aim for 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and avoid sudden temperature changes. Use a thermometer to keep an eye on the water temperature. 5. Test the water quality. Regularly test the water for ammonia, nitrites, nitrates, and pH levels. The ideal pH for goldfish is between 6.5 and 7.5. Keeping these levels stable will help prevent health issues. You can buy an aquarium test kit to easily check water quality. 6. Feed a balanced diet. A healthy diet is key to a long life for your goldfish. Feed them high-quality goldfish pellets or flakes and supplement with fresh vegetables like peas, spinach, or zucchini, boiled and peeled. Don't overfeed. Only give them what they can eat in 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. 7. Avoid overcrowding. Too many fish in one tank can lead to poor water quality and stress. Stick to the rule of 1 goldfish per 20 gallons to give them plenty of room. Overcrowding can lead to disease, stunted growth, and a shorter lifespan. 8. Provide enrichment. Goldfish are smart and get bored without stimulation. Add some plants, decorations, or hiding spots in the tank to keep them curious and active. Just make sure any decorations are smooth and don't have sharp edges that could hurt your fish. 9. Watch for signs of illness. Keep an eye out for signs of illness like clamped fins, white spots, rapid breathing, or loss of appetite. If you notice anything unusual, act quickly. Early treatment can make a huge difference. Consult a vet or an aquarium expert if you're unsure. 10. Avoid sudden changes. Goldfish don't like surprises. Avoid sudden changes to their environment, such as large water changes, shifting decorations, or new tank mates. When adding new fish or making adjustments, do it slowly to avoid stressing them out. 11. Choose tank mates carefully. Not all fish are compatible with goldfish. If you want tank mates, choose peaceful, cold water fish like certain types of loaches or white cloud mountain minnows. Avoid tropical fish that need warmer temperatures or aggressive fish that might harass your goldfish. 12. Keep the tank oxygenated. Goldfish need plenty of oxygen. Use an air stone or bubbler to increase oxygen levels in the tank. Make sure there's enough surface agitation to keep the water well oxygenated, which is especially important if you have a larger tank or several fish. 13. Handle with care. If you need to move your goldfish, do it gently with a net and avoid touching them with your hands. Handling fish can damage their sensitive slime coat, making them vulnerable to infections. 14. Use proper lighting. Goldfish don't need fancy lighting, but a simple LED or fluorescent light can help maintain a regular day-night cycle. Make sure the lights are on for about 8 to 12 hours a day and turn them off at night to give your fish a rest. 15. Be patient and consistent. Goldfish care requires consistency. Stick to a regular routine for feeding, cleaning, and water testing. Patience and consistent care are key to helping your goldfish live a long, happy life. So remember, by giving your goldfish the right environment, diet, and attention, you can help them thrive for many years. Remember, goldfish aren't just pets. They're a long-term commitment. With good care, they can live a decade or more, becoming a part of the family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you have any extra tips for keeping goldfish healthy and happy? Share your advice. As always, I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye!